Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a very quick and easy 5-minute makeup tutorial. And this makeup look, I do it on vacations. I recently uploaded a Konkan vlog and a lot of you guys asked me, Shruti, how do you do your makeup? How do you do your hair? So I thought yehi video hone wale hai mere next. Today I'm going to be uploading my very quick and easy 5-minute makeup tutorial. Something that I like to do on vacations, something that I like to do just an everyday quick makeup look to get out of the house when I'm in a hurry. This is great if you are in college or you just need a very quick makeup tutorial. This is it. I'm not going to be involving any high funda products. Very simple, easy products that you can carry on the go. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. Let's get started. Obviously, the first thing I'm gonna do is prep my skin. Very important. If your skin is not well and prepped, the makeup is not gonna look good. First thing I'm gonna be using is a toner. This is a rose water toner from the brand The Natural Wash. It's really amazing. I would highly recommend. Whew. I like to spray a good amount of it and all over my face. Now give it a minute to set. Till that time, I'll just turn on the AC. अभी इतनी गर्मी हो रही है बिना एसी के तो काम बिल्कुल नहीं चलता. Once that seeps in, the next thing I'm going to be using is a face oil. This is by the brand Rene. This is called Glass Glow and this is literally gives it a nice Korean glass-like skin. Amazing product. If you like a moisturized base, this is something that you should definitely invest in. Don't add too much because then it looks a little weird and too oily. So yeah, this much is more than enough for my face. Do you see the glow? Looking so good. Really great. Now the next thing I'm going to be using is by the brand Dr. Shade. It's aloe and panthenol hydrating gel. This is amazing. Just adds another layer of hydration on my skin. Okay, now my skin definitely looks nice and prepped and ready for makeup. Just a little bit of lip balm because my lips are dry. This is from the brand Biotech, you guys already know. Okay, now this is just the basic prep that I like to do before I put on makeup. But if you want to know how I take care of my skin throughout the week, throughout the month, my morning skincare routine as well as my night skincare routine, I already have a detailed video on those stuff. I'll put it in the iCard above or in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. It's really important that you take care of your skin if you want your skin to look good throughout, right? Let's get started with makeup. And the first thing I like to carry whenever I'm going on a vacation is this little guy. This from the brand Requil is their sheer zinc tinted sunscreen. This is a really good sunscreen because this has SPF 50 PA+++. It also protects your skin from UVA, UVB and IR protection. Not only is it protecting your skin from the harsh sun rays, but it is also giving you a nice coverage. That's the reason whenever I apply this, I do not carry or apply any foundation on my face. So whenever you see all the vlogs that I put up when I'm going on a vacation, this is the only thing that I use as my base for foundation or just my base on my face. Take a good amount of it, use it as a sunscreen, not as a foundation. I feel this is such a great product even if you are a college student or school student, whatever. You get the protection of a sunscreen as well as a little bit of coverage. Of course, the coverage is not gonna be like full on, but that's completely fine. As you just saw, I like to take a good amount of it because it is a sunscreen at the end of the day. Make sure each and every inch is covered, whichever is exposed. And I don't like to use this on my hands and legs. Uske liye main ek alag sunscreen use karti hu. This is just for the face as it's tinted. Obviously, this is not gonna give you like a foundation wala coverage, but it will definitely give a nice dewy blur to your face, which I really like. And it looks really good on the camera as well. And no, I don't like to carry any makeup brushes and stuff. Jitna kam saman ho, utna best. So everything I'm gonna use my fingers to apply it. Let's move on to the next step, which is a concealer. And for that, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand Sable. I don't like to apply a lot of it, just a little bit near my under eye. A little dot over here. Again, I don't like to go overboard, but if you have a lot of like discoloration or pigmentation on your skin, especially in the cheek area or anywhere on your face, you can definitely use this. I don't like to. And of course, using my fingers, just dab it. It not only conceals, but it also brightens the under eye area, as you can clearly see. I like to use the ring finger to gently dab on it. Okay, the under eyes are looking good. The next thing I'm gonna apply is a little bit of bronzer. This is a cream bronzer from the brand LA Girl. It's called Pro Conceal. I think it's in the shade Toffee, if I'm not wrong. And you don't have to do a lot, just a little bit over here, a little bit over here, and here. Now forehead ka, I like to blend downwards. This is definitely optional. You do not have to carry something like this, but it's so small, so I don't mind carrying it. And also a little bit of bronzer definitely adds that beautiful warmth on your face instead of just one color. It just gives a nice definition, a little bit of nice definition and soft bronze. I just love the way this looks on my skin. Okay, now that the face looks almost done, let's start with the eyebrows. And for eyebrows, I always like to carry this little guy. It's from the brand Sugar. And this one has the filling part on one end, it has a spoolie on the other. A great eyebrow product because it has both the stuff and you do not have to carry a spoolie alag se and the brow product alag se. Amazing. Just so easy to work with on the go. Again, I don't like to fill in a lot, just the bald spots wherever it's needed. Okay, with eyebrows, majority of the work is already done. The only thing remaining is lipstick and cheek tint. And I always like to use whatever I'm using on the lips. So whatever lipstick I'm using, the same thing I'll use on my cheeks as well, especially while I'm traveling. I'm not gonna carry a different blush and different lipstick. But when it comes to lipstick, I like to carry a few options so I can play with. And I'm going to show you 3 products that I always like to carry with me. All of them are nice pinkish mauve shades. I like to carry neutral shades ताकि वो सारे इस पे जाए. First one is obviously Wet n Wild का Liquid Catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. The second one is Daughter Earth Lip Tint. This is in the shade, I think, Original Pink. A beautiful, beautiful shade. When I took a trip to Goa, this is the only thing I applied on my cheeks and lips. And the last one is by the brand Ras Oh So Luxe Liquid Lip Balm. Again, a beautiful mauvey brown shade. Today, I'm going to use the Daughter Earth one. Just dip your fingers a little bit. And of course, I'm going to use the same thing on my cheeks. That looks good. Sometimes I also like to layer lipstick. So with that, I also like to use a Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. I think I should do it right now. I think it just blends with the Original Pink and gives a beautiful shade. And because it's a little bit matte, it just lasts longer. Oh, I almost forgot the last step. How can I forget it? This is the star of the show. I always like to carry a liner. This is a liquid liner by the brand Maybelline, the Colossal Liner in the shade Black. It's a beautiful felt tip liner. Just helps it and makes it so much easier to do the winged eyeliner. Look at it, it looks so good. And just ties the whole look together. I absolutely love how the wing eyeliner looks on my face. Now I can do it really easily. It literally takes me seconds to do a wing eyeliner. Now if you are someone who struggles with it, then definitely use a kajal and do a little bit of wing. Try to do a little bit of wing over there and just smudge it. That also looks really good. Okay, if you can see, I have created an outline and then I just like to fill it in. I remember my teachers used to ask me, how do you do the wing eyeliner so well? I mean, it just looks perfect. And I was like, I don't know, I just can. And it just ends up always looking the same. I'm gifted. I'm definitely gifted in the eyeliner department because I can just always make it look perfect every single time. And yeah, with that, the look is complete. Now you can definitely carry a setting spray if you want to. You can skip it if you don't want to. The one I am using is from the brand Miss Claire Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. If you are going to a touristy place where you'll be walking a lot and you want the makeup to last like the whole day, then definitely carry a setting spray. So these are the only products that I like to carry when I am on my vacation. Definitely let me know in the comments down below आप लोग क्या क्या carry करते हो. And this is the final look. Don't forget to hit that like button. I can do this makeup look literally in less than 5 minutes. It does not involve a lot of stuff and it's super easy and simple. I hope you enjoy such kind of a video, and if you want, let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. And yeah, do all that good stuff, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And the comment shout out goes to Shreya Arjun Kumar. Shreya, thank you so much for your comment. It really means a lot, and that is gonna be my next video. So if you haven't hit the bell notification, please do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.